Hi everyone, this is Kate Parkinson from Restoration Educational Services. Restoration Educational Services is located in the southeastern suburbs of Melbourne, and it's my own home private tuition business which is currently unavailable due to what we know is going on today. However, I would like to introduce you to SALT, Schooling and Learning Tutorials. This comes in 3 parts to you. The first part are videos uploaded to this Facebook page full of tips and hints to help you support your child's learning at this time. Second part is home visits. Home visits which I will come to your house and provide one-on-one supervision with your child. This is currently covered in the current restrictions as one person may come due to their work, and I will be coming as an educator to your home. The third part of this is online tuition. Using online services such as Zoom or any other online service that your family may use, I will provide your child with private tuition. If you would like to know anything else about this service, you may private message me or comment on this Facebook page. Hoping to hear from you very soon.